All right, it's a regular traffic jam today. We had 3 trucks here. So the one on the right just delivered the dishwasher. The one on the left can't get into the back of his U-Haul because it's electronic opening and it's a piece of junk. And they just delivered a new dishwasher. So that's kind of exciting. But yeah, so we'll have to do the installation ourselves. Shouldn't take very long. But yeah. All right, you guys, it's an exciting day for us. So we've been without a dishwasher for like a week and a half. And I'm wearing this because I just had the delivery, so I thought I'd just keep it on. But so, dun, da, da, the new dishwasher just arrived. Changing hands. New dishwasher just arrived, so that's kind of exciting. You know, we got a UPS driver out there who can't get into his truck. It's kind of funny. Electronics aren't working. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna install this, so stay tuned. They took the old one away, splashed water all over the place. It's great. So here's the hole where it's going. I just cleaned it out. It smelled like animals from the previous owners. Kind of gross, but you know, not bad. Yes, we are totally doing this wrong. You're supposed to cut around the bottom. We're too lazy, so we're just ripping stuff out the sides. And this is what it looks like. 2 people trying to figure out how to open this. It's locked. There's no handle. I can't find a manual. Do not remove insulation. It's not tucked underneath.
Can't see anything.
There's no instructions on the box. Hey, we did it. We figured out how to open the door and got the instruction manual. Now the first thing it says to do is to put it on its back. Now it's dead. And then it's taking off stuff. And we're following some instructions. I love that the first instruction is here where my thumb. Confirm that the flexible braided line is long enough. I believe that is more than long enough to go the 12 inches to the valve. We are now hooking up the bowels of the machine. It's a delicate operation for those that are trained in the arts of plumbing only.
Only.
All right, now we're having fun with electricals. I got the ground wire on there, and we're trying to figure out why they didn't give us wire nuts or the little doohickey that goes in the hole. And now we've got these nuts, because God forbid they should put them in the package. All right, these nuts are nice and tight, and now we're going to put this back together and put it back over here. And there we go. All right, now we're going to install the door handle per the instructions. Magic. You got the magic.
Okay, there's still a plastic film on it.
Yeah, it's right here. All right, now we're going to put the door handles. Ooh. That's horrible. All right, so this puppy goes on, and then are they screws or are they Allen wrench?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna screw that little hole and that little hole with Allen wrench. I think there's an Allen wrench in the bag. All right, so we figured out that this goes into this hole here. We figured out the front, there's a hole here for screws. We put this in here, and then we're gonna bend the tabs on the back there. There we go. So we bent the tabs, so now it's not gonna fall out. It's locked in there. So now we're gonna push it back in, and we're gonna put screws through here into the wall of the cabinet.
I need to hand tighten that. It's not gonna fit. Good thing it's magnetic.
job. Try slower. Alright, let's check the fit. Hey! Alright guys, we're at the final part here. We just need to hook up the water and the drain and the power. So it's hard to see. Alright guys, I hooked up the water right there. No leaks. We hooked up the sewage return right there. It looks great. And I just plugged in the power up there. So I think we are good to go. Well, almost. Final steps. It's the final countdown. Okay, now we got goodies on the inside. Oh, we got a strip on the front here. And that held. Okay, and then we've got little goodies here and here, and we've got energy efficiency tag here, and then can you reach those two? And then we have this special drawer, and I think, is this a metal or is that's got a film on it? Go for it. So ours has the special tray. I've never had a dishwasher one. They usually put small stuff like baby nipples. I don't know what we'll put in there, but something. Dildos, I don't know. And then that looks good. And then, oh, we got a warranty card. Grab that. All right, do we have anything else in here? Looks clean and shiny. I'm gonna check the filter, but I need 2 hands to do that, and then we'll give it a load. So I was just playing with all these goodies. It's the fill, and check this out. Woo, that's fast. One more time. Ooh. We almost forgot to put these buggers back in. The holes. There we go. Now it's sealed. I think we're ready for our first operation. We're trying to decide if we're gonna load it or run it blank. Look at that, it started right up. How do you cancel? There you go. Wow. So high tech. All right, we're gonna do a quick, what do we got choices here?
1 hour wash.
1 hour.
No, all the other ones are.
How about Sandy rinse? Oh. I guess that's not really an option. All right, normal. Oh, what's the difference between 1 hour wash and normal?
Well,
oh, 3 hours. What? All right, go for it. Ooh. Oh, is that the minutes till it's done?
yeah.
Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, it's like reflective. It's filling. Somebody's down there. Looks good. Okay, so we haven't put the kick plate back on yet. We're just making sure everything is not leaking.
Cancel drain.
That was the problem last one. It wouldn't cancel and drain.
Oh, it's pumping water.
Woo woo! Pumping water. Anything? Oh, I hear the drain. I think we're golden. Woo woo! High five. Good job, Cooter. Oh, we should get one. We should get one with the dishwasher. Get down here. Ooh. All right, epilogue. She emptied out. She dumped all her water. She got no water underneath and none under the sink. So we're gonna send her out on her maiden voyage and load it up now. All right, so we're trying the different features here. We don't know what everything does yet, but so it has this little drawer, this micro drawer, which is good because I guess it uses the extra space at the top. And then we know it's not totally full, but we wanted to try it. And we got our stuff here. It's going to take us some time to get used to the silverware doing there, but whatever. Put a little tablet in. Don't eat those, kids. Oh, we're going to have jet dry. Jet the open the thing. All right, we got the jet dry in there. Give it a little kick-a-doodle here. Now, should we just try normal?
Yeah.
Just try normal. 3 hours and 23 minutes? Wow. All right.
Do you want a sani rinse?
Yeah. Dun 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 dun. And go. There we go. It's filling. And putting the kick back on. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed learning how to put the dishwasher in today. Just a little activity as we are making forest life happen here, one piece at a time. Oh, I didn't film it, but we had to run to the hardware store and get some wire nuts because apparently it didn't come in the package. It's now 3 o'clock. You can see it's already starting to get dark, but we got Zumba in 2 hours and the dishwasher's in, so I'm very excited about that. Woohoo, dishwasher. All right, you guys, I'm Robert Jones. This is Struggle Soup and Forest Life. Bye. The best part is getting your kitchen back without dirty dishes stacked everywhere.